Hey folks, we're going to do worksheet WS 5.9A1. This is a independent study worksheet tutorial for simple interest. Simple interest is pretty simple. You take the $34,100, you take it times 4%. Now, 4% has to be written as a decimal. So to make a percent into a decimal, here's 25%. Remember, you move it back 2 places. To make it into 0.25, we do the same thing here. We just move this back 2 places. So this is going to be times 0.04. Then we also multiply it times the number of years. So we don't have to do anything with the years. We always just express it as a year. So let me get my calculator here. Sorry, I can't find the good one that works under the calculator, so we'll have to use my phone. It works under the dot camera. So we're just going to put 34,100 in. We'll take that times 0.04, and we'll take it times 3. Okay, check out that I just put it exactly the way I've done that in there. This is going to give me the interest. This is 4,092, 4092. Now, it's important some things that you understand here. This is the interest. This is the money that you earned. So, the paper is asking you for the ending balance. To get the ending balance, you have to take this 4,000. I just write it right down here. And add it to the principal. This is the principal. This is what you started with, the principal. So add this up. 0 plus 2 is 0. 9, 1, 38, 192. All right, one more time. This is the principal. This is what you started with. This is the interest. This here is your balance, because that's how much money you now have in the account. So you made, $4,000, almost $4,100. Let's do another one. Oh, let's do a more difficult one here. Here, number 10. Here's $1,900 times 5.9. So I got to move this twice. That's going to be times 0.059 times, ooh, yikes. Well, 2 3/4 years is 2.75 as a decimal, right? So we just drop that in, 2.75. And let's go ahead and pop that in. Nice duds. Old guy with an iPhone. It's never pretty. So 1,900 times 0.059 times 2.75 equals. Now I'm just going to double check it here before I look at it. Here's 1,900 times 0.059 times 2.75. So that is 308 point. Well, this number here is big enough to round that into to make that 28 cents. So 0.28. Okay. Now I have to take the 1,900 and I have to add that. So 1,900 plus 308.28. Well, you can think about this as 00 and add this up. You can also just do it in your calculator as well. 8, 0, that's 12, 2,208.28. Let's just verify it here by just adding the 1,900 in. Make sure I did my math right. $2,208.28 because you're rounding. All right. Thanks. Most common mistake kids forget to take, they just do this. They just get to the interest. They forget to add it back. Thanks for listening. Bye.